Hi, I'm John with WTI. Are you looking for a way to stay hydrated throughout the day? I really like these hydration tablets. I use them basically every single day. I normally put one in my water bottle when I go to the gym, and I also take my dogs for around an hour and a half walk every day. I really want to make sure I'm replacing all those electrolytes that I'm losing as I'm exercising or as I'm out for a long walk. So I really like the flavors. It's cool because it comes in a 4-pack, so if you want to change it up every single day, you can always have a different flavor, which is cool. I like it because they're not too sweet, so there's not much sugar in it. I think just around 2 grams of sugar, so you don't have to worry about taking in too much sugar, but again, it gives you enough sugar to replace those electrolytes that you're losing throughout the day. So I've had all 4 flavors. They taste really good. So I find that the flavors do taste like they say. So the grape does have a great flavor. The fruit punch, again, it tastes like fruit punch. For instance, I don't really love grape flavor candy or pops or anything like that, but this I didn't mind. I don't find it overpowering. So with all of the flavors, it's more of a subtle flavor. So I find that I like all of the flavors. I love how most of the ingredients are natural. For instance, for some of the coloring, they use beet juice. They also use stevia leaf extract, avocado oil. So if you're looking for a really good way to stay hydrated throughout the day, then I highly recommend these tablets. Again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.